Sæl og verið velkomin í annan þátt af Íslensku fyrir útlendinga. Hi and welcome to another episode of Icelandic for Foreigners. Today we're going to be talking about the Icelandic letters X, Upsilon, I, and Zeta. First is the letter X. So what there is to know about the letter X, it is essentially identical to the English letter X. And that basically means that it's going to be pronounced like a K with an S right after it. So in that first word, vaxa, vaxa. And in the second word, lax, lax. Now because that X sound is made with the K and the S together, that means that it'll always be preceded by a short vowel because the X itself is a consonant cluster. The next letter is upsilon. So what there is to know about the letter upsilon, it is identical in every way to the Icelandic I. It makes the exact same sound and it can be used in the same combinations. So for example, these two words are pronounced the exact same way. Bil and bil. This includes the EI combination, which also works for I upsilon. A and A. They're the same. And the last one, when you have the ing combination, which turns the E into an E, fingur, you see the same thing with an upsilon, singur. Now for the next letter, upsilon I, the same thing applies. It's identical in every way to the Icelandic I. So in these two words, they'd be pronounced the exact same. Lisa and Lisa, no difference. So if you're wondering about pronouncing upsilon and upsilon I, just go watch my other videos about the letters I, and you'll learn how this letter works through those. All right, the last letter is the letter Zeta. Now, a lot of people don't consider the letter Zeta as part of the modern Icelandic alphabet, but you will see it written sometimes, especially in older texts, which is the first thing to know about Z, is you really only see it written in older texts or in loanwords. This is the common one that you might see, þú veist. Now, all you need to know about pronouncing it is just pronounce it as if it were an S. So þú veist with a Z is pronounced the same as þú veist with an S. And that's all there is to know about these letters. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay posted for more pronunciation videos and grammar videos to come. Takk fyrir. Bless, bless.